Okay, so now let's look at how we might be able to use this formula that we just discussed for finding a partial sum. Again, if there are n terms in the sum, we take that number, we divide it by 2, and this number here represents the absolute last number in that sequence or in that series of values that we're adding together. This question asks for the sum of the first 106 positive integers. So if we set up the sum, how many numbers are in this sum? There are 106. So we're going to take 106 and we're going to divide that by 2. Now, are these numbers always going to match? You have to be careful with that. There'll be some examples that we'll talk about in class, but in this instance, yes. We're saying that there are 106 positive integers that we're adding together, so there are 106 numbers that we are adding together. Now, what would be the first term in this sequence? If it's the first 106 positive integers, what is the first positive integer? That's 1. What is the last number in this list? Again, if it's just the 106 positive integers, the last number in that list is 106. So if we're finding this sum, 106 divided by 2 is 53. 1 plus 106 is 107. 53 times 107, I'll let you do that. I don't have a calculator in front of me. But all we're using is this formula to calculate this sum. The questions get much more difficult, but I wanted to start you off with something simple.